A cheap estate plan is going to fail you, and here's 5 reasons why. Shopping around for the cheapest estate plan is likely to leave you with a plan that won't work for you or your family and will leave them with a big mess instead. Number 1, the least expensive plan is not worth the paper it's written on once you've left your attorney's office. Your life changes, the law changes, your assets change over time. Your plan needs to keep up with those changes. Number 2, that is why cheap estate plans are often sold by financial professionals who want to get their hands on your money, not do right by your family. An attorney who's built a practice to actually serve your family in their best interest simply cannot make a living selling $399 plans or even $1,500 plans. Only insurance and financial professionals getting paid big commissions to sell your family annuities and life insurance products that they may not need can make a living selling cheap documents. Number 3, forms and documents are not going to be there for your family when you cannot be. You want to leave your loved ones a relationship with a heart-centered, trusted advisor that you've built a relationship with during your lifetime and who they've already met and already trust. That's the biggest gift you can give them. Number 4, you get what you pay for, and it is your family who pays the price. Sometimes the cheaper law firms are traditional forms and documents firms that put in place plans, but they don't make sure that your assets are owned in the right way, that your family knows how to find what you have when they need to. And while you might think that's malpractice, it's not. It is common practice, and it leaves your family at risk if and when something happens to you. And number 5, an estate plan is simply not a set it and forget it kind of thing. Your plan needs to stay up to date with the changes in your life, the law, and your assets. If you would love to work with a heart-centered, counseling-oriented lawyer who can take the stress out of planning for you and give you the peace of mind that it's all been done properly and will remain up to date throughout your lifetime, as your life changes, as your assets change, as the law changes, visit personalfamilylawyer.com to find a PFL in your state.